So just understand attack signature is what? You can keep in your mind the picture that these are nothing, but you can say these are some kind of rules, or you can say these are some kind of patterns. Okay. These rules and patterns will identify the attack sequence from your request or from your response on the different components of your web application, right?
Right.
So as I was talking about that when you are using MySQL, so there are couple of attack signatures, okay, which will come and associate with your security policy. Okay. So what happened is when you create a security policy, you provided what all, like web technologies you are using. And from there, these attack signature set will come into the picture. I'm using couple of the terms. Don't worry. I will, talk about those terms in a moment. So what happened is this attack signature keep on updating. Okay. Keep on updating. Probably you can say every 6 weeks. Or if there is some 0 day event or 0 day attack, you can say appears within 24 hours, it can be reflected on the F5 website. From there, you can download and upload on your device. One way. Second way, you can have big IQ, right? From big IQ, from big IQ, you can just push that. Third way, you can write down a couple of the scripts, and using those scripts, you can just, initiate these kind of stuff. So you can have different options available how you can upgrade these attack signatures into your environment. So this is one thing. Second thing, you can even create the customize attack signatures also. Customize means user defined. So let us say there is a keyword. Okay, the keyword is hacker. You are saying in my request or in my response, if hacker keyword comes or appears there, okay, in the sequence, it should get blocked. So what you will do, you will create an attack signature. That attack signature will have an attack signature ID, that is an identification number. Same like when we go in the office in any company, we got an ID, right? Similarly, attack signatures have some ID. So this ID will get appeared when you see in your event logs that this request is blocked. So you can see which is the attack signature, what is the attack signature ID, that all stuff you would be able to see there. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Let's proceed further. See what happened is, let us say there is an user. Okay. This user is coming on your device through different, you know, uh, components. There can be some Arbor solution, IPS solution. After that, there could be an internet firewall where again some ACLs are there. There could be an firewall, Palo Alto, checkpoint, or Fortinet, anything. Okay. Post that, you will come to the F5 ASM. That is how ideally, traffic flow will happen. But after F5 ASM, let us say there is directly servers. Okay. I am just reducing the complexity. Now, what happened when something is coming till F5 ASM? It is your HTTP request. As I told you in our earlier classes, HTTP request can have HTTP status codes, right? It can have different methods. It can have different headers. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So let us say, or there is a complete body or the content you can say. Let us say one status code is coming 402 or something like that in the at the time of response. Okay, it it is not allowed on your FIASM. This request will get blocked, and the block will be appear because this is 402, which status code is not enabled. This is not your attack signature thing. Okay, this is something different. Similarly, if some method is not allowed, that will also get blocked. Again, it's not an attack signature, right?
Right.
But when some request will come, it will hold that request for some time. Okay, FIASM will hold that request. That is named as the process buffering. Buffering means temporarily chunking and holding different part of your HTTP request for the further inspection. Okay, so
Okay.
by buffering, it will examine the elements of entire HTTP request, and it will see that if some of the attack signature is matching. So your attack signatures here are protecting even your headers, your XML data if it is an XML request, help mitigating the attacks that are hidden inside your HTTP, that is HTTP request inside into it. Somebody is, putting some kind of attacks that can be taken into the consideration. One thing, buffering, chunk, you can say chunking, holding the request, right? Second thing is named as normalization. What happened? Normalization is the process for decoding your request. Okay, what happened? Let us say I am generating some requests. Let me show you. Give me a minute. Okay, so I am saying NetMinion .net and space, after space I am saying hello. Okay, so it doesn't, it is searching it. Give that hello and yes. Okay, maybe it's not, taking the place, but I need to do something here. Yeah, see, space is removed with what? Percentage 20. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Although this page is not there, and that is the reason you are watching out 404 error code, right? That because page is not found. That's all right. What happens? Similarly, these are the directly traversals request. Okay, somebody can do like xyz.com. Okay, after that maybe he's saying module one, right? After that double dot, after that password or something, right? This double dot means go back again to the previous one, or he can merge different slashes. This different slashes is equal to single slash. What happened is person is trying to do an attack to get the information from some sensitive page or directory which he is not, or she is not supposed to go directly, right? So
Right.
in case of normalization, your buffers go through a series of normalization, and it will need to pass through the stage engine or this signature engine, that okay, either my request is fine or not. What happened is, if you have, let us say, if we talk about our routing thing, okay, in routing, when you create an ACL, and ACL has, let us say, 100 points, okay, so what happened, if it is permit, it is permit, it is permit, and in the second last it is deny, but rest of all things are permit. Even this is at the second last thing, but your packet will drop, right?
Right.
Because rest are showing the permit, but those are not matching with the specific request, let us say. Okay, and it is matching at the rule number 99. So it will get denied. Similarly, here also, when you are talking about attack signature, it doesn't matter the attack signature is the first point it catch, second point it is catching, third point it is catching. No. What happened? It adhere the AND statement, which means if there is, if there is any single block, okay, whole request will stop. Got this point?
Yes, sir.
So it doesn't matter at the first point it is getting blocked or the last point it is getting blocked, your whole request will stop.
Sir, and logic use when we are going to use and logic, then it will check
Automatically,
all the correct areas, right? All criteria should match over there and consider.
that's true. That's true. And means everything should be true, only then answer is true.
Right.
So every attack signature should be
Sir, what is the purpose of this normalization? Means HTTP normalization we are talking.
right. So this is nothing. Normalization, maybe you can say it is the process of decoding your encoded request. Your request will get encoded every time. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever user is sending some data. So at that time, this normalization will decode it and will see that either my request is fine or no. Okay. If there is some hidden attack or some kind of, you can say some trick is there, then ASM signature will say that no, I need to block it. So you can say normalization of HTTP request is very crucial for maintaining a well-structured, secure, and efficient web application, or maybe you can say API. So it helps or ensure the application, okay, to behave predictably. Means to maybe you can say it is when you are decoding it, it will be less prone to the security vulnerabilities. And normalization will be done like you can say for methods separately, right? The HTTP method like get, post, put, delete, whatever. It will get normalized for normalization, ensure that the correct HTTP method is used or no for the whatever operation user is going to. Then it will do the URL normalization, which involve to ensure that URL is well formed or no and following the standard conventions. So this involves removing your redundant slashes as I was mentioning you, right? Resolve the relative paths issue. Encoding is applied correctly or no, it will check, right? So again, it prevent issues here like broken links should not be there, inconsistent URL should not be there. Then this normalization will done on the headers separately, right? For
Right.
example, you have content type header. It should indicate the type of content being sent in the request. You have the user agent, which provide the meaningful information about your which browser you are using, right? So these all things, parameter normalization, request body normalizations, authentication normalization, okay, security measures are there to put up, okay, just to check that everything is working fine. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Now I was talking about user defined attack signatures. So let us say there is a specific keyword, okay, which you want to get blocked. You cannot go to the F5 and you cannot say them that, okay, just block this keyword because in my environment, it should be get blocked, right? F5 giving you the opportunity to write down your own attack signature. But let me tell you, when you add this attack signature during the upgrade, if this attack signature is not manually coming up, you can add it again. Okay, you can append it again, although it should be. And what happened is, let us say you are putting this attack signature on your device, right? You are writing down it's for the policy one. It will get applied on policy 2 also automatically. What you need to do, you need to disable it on that policy if you want only specific for policy 1, right? But not for policy 2. So user defined attack signatures are created by users. It will add to your attack signature pool. Okay, there are some words. Let me first clear those. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand more. What happened when you are writing down some attack signature? Okay, when you are writing down some attack signature, this is a single attack signature. This single attack signature cannot applied on policy directly. There are some sets. There are some sets. Sets means grouping. Okay, grouping. So there are some sets. Let us say for PHP there is a different set. For SQL there is some different set. For Java different. Okay, literally for IAS, Unix, Linux, or whatever you can say, there is different set. So in PHP, let us say this is having the set of 1000 of the attack signatures. SQL has the 500 attack signatures. Unix has, let us say, 300 attack signatures. This IIS has maybe 2K. Okay, Java maybe have 1.1K. So these attack signatures individually you cannot apply the policy. What you can apply on the policy? You can apply on the policy these sets. This point is clear.
Yes.
So when you create a user-defined attack signature, this need to go to some of the attack signature set, and that set you will apply on the policy. This part is clear.
Yes, sir.
So an attack signature set, you can say, is a grouping of individual attack signatures. This way you can apply more than one attack signature on your security policy. So rather than applying your individual attack signature to the security policy, you can apply one or more attack signature set. Okay. And by default, let us say when you are creating your application security. So this is your FIASM. On your FIASM, you are creating the security policy, and you are not putting any of the server technology explicitly. There will be by default an attack signature set will applied named as generic attack signature. So let us say it has 2.5K of the attack signatures, right? But what is your ideal security policy? It should include your attack signatures which are needed for that specific application. No. So let us say my application is using PHP. So we will add server technology PHP. PHP related 500 attack signatures will more added. Then you are using Java also. I am just giving a random example. It uses 1500 of your attack signatures for Java. Now total on your security policy 2.5 plus 5, 3 plus 1.5, 4.5. Now total attack signatures on your security policy would be how much? 4.5. So it depend upon security policy to security policy. Let us say we have two security policy. One security policy can have maybe 3K. One security policy can have 5K attack signatures. So it depends. Why? Because generic is same.
Right.
Rest, how many server technologies your application is uses. Likewise, your attack signature set will be keep on added. Got this point?
Yes, sir. Because different technologies there means framework is there, PHP framework different, Java framework is different. So
True,
accordingly, those attack signatures are created.
true.
So it will be different always.
Right, right, right. Now, people have an misconception. Why not to add all? And the answer is it will be wastage of resources. See, your application is not using, let us say, SQL, but you're putting MySQL attack signatures also. Is it a good way? No, it's not, because you are just putting the more resources on your attack signatures for your checking your attack signatures. More CPU, more cores will be come into the picture. Okay, why? To make the utilization of your works high. So that is not a good way or ideal way. This point clear?
Right.
Next point. There is low accuracy, medium accuracy, and high accuracy attack signature set available in your environment. Low accuracy attack signatures means there are plenty of attack signatures. Okay. And when it is saying that, okay, my accuracy is not much, but if some request will come, I will block it. But you need to check further either it is correct or not. When you are putting low accuracy attack signatures on your security policy, there can be more false positive. Why? Because it's a low accuracy. The accuracy of the attack signature is not high. Medium means, again, it's a medium. False positive would be less than your low. And high means this is very specific, very specific. Okay. And here it would be more lesser. Bit like, you can say, this is bit like your generic physician. Okay. Who, like, if you have a headache, if you have maybe ache in your stomach, okay, or whatever, eyes. So one common doctor. Medium, maybe better than him, having the more exposures. Okay. High, for kidney separate, for heart separate, for eyes separate, for nose separate. Means you are getting my point. Yeah.
Yeah, got it,
So
sir. General
that is
physician.
how the specifications will keep on added on. So whenever you are using in your environment, better to go with medium or high. Okay. Don't go for the low. Is it fine?
Right, sir.
Now you have attack signature pool. So an attack signature pool contain all of the attack signatures. Maybe they can have different sets available. Okay. And there is, this is like a pool. From the pool, you can apply the attack signature to everywhere. So this pool consists of all systems applied attack signatures and any user defined attack signature also. So attack signature pool, maybe you can say it is bit like that you can able to see all the attack signature list over there. Okay. Although on the security policy, when you need to apply it on the security policy, you will apply these attack signature sets specifically. But this pool is just telling you that, okay, how many attack signature you have. Are you getting my point?
Sir. Yes,
I,
sir.
I will be gonna show you all of these things in a moment. Okay, practically I will gonna show you. But what happened is, like when you need to update your attack signatures automatically, let us say on your F5 ASM box. This is your F5 ASM box, and I want it should go directly to the F5 server, and from there, whenever there is a new update, it should pick up the new update automatically. I don't want anything. For the same, my ASM should have internet connectivity. First thing. Second thing, the DNS resolution should be there. Okay. If this is the point, your FI ASM, you need to open two websites. One is callhome.fi.com on the port 443. Second is activate.f5.com on the port 443. So this 443 should be opened if you have firewall in between. Okay. So there is one more setting that I will be gonna talk about. After that, it will automatically pick up these new attack signature sets from the internet or from FI website, and it can keep on automatically update your attack signature sets. This point is also clear?
Yes.
Good. Now let me show you on the lab. I can see I have one security policy. I am creating one security policy as a test. Okay. Create new security policy. And this security policy is test one. Okay. I am not putting anything over here. I am just saying create security policy. Right?
Right.
Policy one, I selected there some of the server technologies in our previous class. You are aware. Now let me go to the application security and the attack signatures. So where I went, application security and attack signature. Here, if you see in policy one, how many attack signatures are there?
33,315.
But if I will go for the test one only, it should be less. Why? Because it should be only generic test attack signatures. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Right, sir.
Let us say if you wanted to see some this attack signature, click here. When you click, it is saying that request at the time of request, what is the scope it is talking about, what kind of attack type, accuracy is what, risk is what, right? Then it is showing you the reference also. If you click over here, even you can read more about this pattern. Getting my point?
Right, sir.
So you can see it is talking about OS commanding. What is the OS commanding? What the Perl example? Maybe see, you should have some Java or these kind of language experience. If you don't have, it's all right. Okay. You can just see how attack signature will work. And in the background, your FI team is taking care of the same. But here you can see there is something named as set. Which set is this?
Generic detection signature.
Generic detection signature. Right?
Right.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understanding this point, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, if you go to the application security, in the application security, when you go to the, learning and blocking setting, this is very important, learning blocking setting. You can see there is one field named as attack signature. Just maximize this. Here you can see only one attack signature set is there, which is
Generic detection.
generic detection. But if I will check for the policy one, okay, if I will go for the policy one, here under the attack signature, you can see how many attack signature set I have.
Right.
Did I
Not
apply
only.
it explicitly? No.
No.
How does they appearing in my attack signature, screen? Because I put it under the server technologies.
Right.
Although you can change from here, you can see this change, click on this change. When you see the change, you can see here all the attack signature set. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
You can enable or disable from here also. And you can click on change. I'm just canceling it. But yes, you can do from here. And can you see this accuracy?
Yes, sir. Medium accuracy.
Medium accuracy. You can go with the low accuracy also, but we don't want. Let it be the medium accuracy. That is fine.
Right.
So far, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, if you see in the options, I am going into the application security here. Can you see this attack signature set? This is bit like pool. How many attack signature on this box currently?
4,000.
This is the total number of attack signature.
Yeah.
Okay. And if I wanted to see the attack signature sets, you can see these are the all attack signature sets. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you wanted to go for some specific like PHP signatures, you can go there and you can see what all signatures it include. This is like pool, you can say. And here, if you see, it is showing this, what is the name, what attack signature type is, blah blah blah. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Nothing, huh?
No, sir.
Okay. So here, if over here, if you will go to the attack signature list and you want to create a new, can you see this create?
Yes, create option is there.
You can hit on the create button. You can give your name. Maybe I am just giving the name of them, right?
Right.
At what time you want, request time, response time, at what time you want. You can give any like request. Then it is asking what system. Maybe I am saying various systems. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then it is saying what is the attack type. Maybe I am saying others application activity. Okay. Then under here you can see there is simple edit mode and advanced edit mode. In advanced edit mode there is nothing shown because you should be aware about what to say syntax. If you are not aware about syntax, select the simple, click on add. Here you can say request content or whatever you wanted to say, right? So header on the basis of header, on the basis of URI, whatever you want. Contain string, does not contain, match, match, whatever you want to do, you can select that. I am just giving you an example. Let us say I am saying for the hacker. Okay. And I am clicking on that. Okay. Now this, maybe this is sufficient. Huh? So demo attack signature. This is the name. Okay. You can give any name. So currently, how many attack signature was there? I don't know. You will see that one attack signature will get added. Here can you see accuracy? I am saying it is a high accuracy. Risk, let us say medium risk. And when you create it, one more will get added. Huh? In the list, you can see how, so you can see in the video, right? So whatever the count, earlier count was there, one more count should be shown to you.
Yes, sir. Right.
Let us say if you wanted to see some more, you can click over here, show filter. You can check it with some signature ID if you have. If you don't have, maybe the string should be containing hacker. I am just trying to search, clicking on go. Not able to show. Was it there or no? Okay, let me go to the, sorry. Let me go to the attack signature list again. What was the name? Demo was the name.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
So let me just search for the demo. Not hacker, I created with demo. So can you see this?
Yes.
This is our attack signature and this is the attack signature ID. When you click here, you can see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But it will not get applied directly. Why? Because for the same, you need to have attack signature set. For attack signature set, you need to go to the attack signature sets. Here you can create. Again, you can just give the name demo. Demo attack signature set. Okay.
Right.
So type filter based. Okay, let it be filter based. Then here default blocking action. All the three flags are on. Let it be on. What are these flags? I will come to you later about the same. You need to apply to its every policy by default. If you create yes, it will be get applied on the current policy where you wanted to apply. Okay. Or on all upcoming policies. So any policy which you are creating, it will come there. Okay. Request type, attack, all. Okay, you can make the changes over here. System, again you can say various system because in the attack signature set also you need to put it. So accuracy you can say okay, let the accuracy will be all. Okay, here you can see that whatever the options like list, user defined, yes. When you click on user defined yes, the attack signature will come automatically, right? And you can hit on the create. Now let me tell you what happened is when you go to the application security, okay, application security policy building and learning and blocking setting. Okay, there we can see what are all attack signature sets are there. Here, if you see, currently there is nothing. You can click on change and can you see the demo one? See, there is a demo one. You can click on change. When you see there is one more attack signature set, you can apply it over here, which is user defined. Do any work, save it. After save, apply it. Okay. Now let us say I applied on the policy one. Okay, let us say if on the PHP auction my website, I will search for the hacker. This attack signature violation should be come into the picture if everything we applied correctly, right? If there is
Right.
some issue, probably we can check later on. But for now, if I just say hacker, and I will say go, okay. And if I will go in my event logs, can you see there is some, attack signature detected? What attack signature? Okay, let me just make it maximize. Let me maximize this request. See, I search here the hacker, right? If I see the occurrence, hacker is the keyword. Attack signature, which attack signature came into the picture? Demo attack signature. What is the signature ID? This is the signature ID. Currently it is staged. What are that? I will be going to talk about. Don't worry. What is the suggestion? Suggestion is just accept this attack signature. Okay. So I don't want to accept that, but I wanted to show you like how this attack signature will come into the picture. Is this part clear to you, buddy?
Yes, sir. It's
No
clear.
doubt.
Yeah, yeah, clear. But I have to watch this, sir, again and again, and then I'll be able to consolidate all these things.
That's fine. See, you need to do, these kind of testing by your own. So
Right.
the lab is with you. Go and do the testing as many as multiple times. Okay. Try to create some security policy. Try to play around. Make your hand dirty. Only then you would be able to understand.
Right, sir. Right.
But so far, is there any doubt?
No, sir. Clear. It's clear.
Perfect. Perfect. Let us take a quick break. Or wait. Uh, Today I need to leave early. Okay.
Okay.
I have some work to do. Probably let us wrap it up from here. Okay. And we will continue from tomorrow.
No worries, sir. No problem.
Okay.